Welcome to IMQ IVFC Math Quiz. There will be 25 items to test your skills on the subject matter. Don't forget to answer on the comment section below. In your answer sheet, take note of the video ID. Here are the questions. Number 1. Find the lowest term for this fraction. Number 2. Find the lowest term for this fraction. Number 3. Number 4. Find the lowest term for this fraction. Number 5. Find the lowest term for this fraction. Number 6. Find the lowest term for this fraction. Number 7. Find the lowest term for this fraction. Number 8. Find the lowest term for this fraction. Number 9. Find the lowest term for this fraction. Number 10. Find the lowest term for this fraction. Number 11. Find the lowest term for this fraction. Number 12. Find the lowest term for this fraction. Number 13. Find the lowest term for this fraction. Number 14. Find the lowest term for this fraction. Number 15. Find the lowest term for this fraction. Number 16. Find the lowest term for this fraction. Number 17. Find the lowest term for this fraction. Number 18. Find the lowest term for this fraction. Number 19. Find the lowest term for this fraction. Number 20. Find the lowest term for this fraction. Number 21. Find the lowest term for this fraction. Number 22. Find the lowest term for this fraction. Number 23. Find the lowest term for this fraction. Number 24. Find the lowest term for this fraction. Number 25. Find the lowest term for this fraction. Congratulations! This ends our lesson for today. Please don't forget to share to other children. This is my advocacy, and it is free.